Let me turn off my music. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to another video. Oh, too bright. But anyways, welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a what I eat in a day, because if y'all didn't know and if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, then you should, because then you'd know that I am on a weight loss journey and a fitness journey also. More of a fitness, you know what I mean, whatever. But if you guys clicked on this video and y'all are looking for a weight loss video or a what I eat in a day, then this is the video for y'all, because I have currently lost already 20 pounds. In all, I've lost probably over 30, but I haven't been calculating that far back. So in the past 4 months, I have lost 20 pounds. I am currently 196, 194. I have not weighed myself since yesterday, y'all. But this past weekend, which today is Thursday, and this past weekend, I literally ate so much, okay? I literally ate every single thing I seen because I just wanted to give myself a little break. And I have been off of the gym also, which is weird to me because I'm never off the gym, but I wanted to take a little week off of the gym. So yeah, today's gonna be what I eat in a day. I just got off of work at 1:30. It is now 2:30. I haven't ate an actual meal. I did take some yogurts with me and a protein drink, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a little bit. And I also did drink some coffee with some stevia in it, which was just regular coffee, y'all, okay? Nothing crazy about it or anything, but let me go ahead and show you guys the body right now, and then I'll show you guys what I ate and drank at work. I'm sorry, y'all, I have underwear on underneath here, so obviously y'all can see that. And I was literally about to put it on Crazy Rich Asians, because that is one of my favorite movies to watch when I'm home and cleaning, okay? But here is how I look. I'm pretty sure, as you guys can tell from the thumbnail of today's video, that I've lost quite a bit of weight. And I put on, look at that, I put on a butt. What? Do y'all see the dip? Like, y'all, I never had that. My stomach has never been this flat. And yeah, so obviously I am working out almost every single day, if not every single day, Monday through Friday. And I do add a little bit of cardio here and there, which it is the 12-3-30, you know, the little trendy cardio that everybody does on TikTok. That cardio, which is hard, y'all. It's hard. But I have been doing my workouts, weightlifting, upper body, all that type of stuff, and I've been incorporating a whole bunch of heavy weightlifting lately, and I am really feeling it. I see a lot of change in my butt area, if y'all can tell in the mirror back there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with what I ate this morning. Anyways, so, and I'm sorry for the lighting, y'all. I know it's so orange. My lights are just completely trash, but I had a Premier protein shake this morning just to ease the hunger, y'all, because my job gives out free food. If I really want it, I can eat it. But like, yeah, so it's 160 calories. There is a lot of sodium in here. I never realized it, but there is, and there's 4 grams of carbs and 30 grams of protein, which is pretty good for the amount. These are by far my favorite. I do have these cookies and cream. I have chocolate, caramel, and vanilla. I try to buy them in bulk because I literally always drink these, especially for a snack, y'all. My dishes, I'm sorry about it. But I also ate a, I'm guessing this is Dannon. Yes, Dannon Light and Fit yogurt. This is the strawberries and cream one. This is the diabetes friendly, and I actually eat this one and this one. I don't have diabetes, but I got this little snack off of another YouTuber that I will link her YouTube down below. But this is the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. This is the regular one, and it has 80 calories, 12 grams of protein. So I had this and this morning, and I won't be having it again because I'll show you other snacks later on. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up my food. I'm not gonna show y'all what I'm cooking just because, like, it's just bacon and eggs and, you know, toasting bread and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cook that up, show y'all how it looks, eat it because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry right now, and give y'all the calories. I don't know if I'm gonna post them in the actual video, or if I'm going to post them at the end of the video or down below. So if I don't post them in the video or at the end, look for them in the description, okay? Look for them in the description, all right? So yeah, let's go ahead and get cooking, y'all. I'm so hungry right now. All right, so my eggs are finally done. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be, or I already did, y'all, like obviously y'all can see, but I made myself a little breakfast sandwich. Oh, I made myself a little breakfast sandwich. Add a little salt because I don't like when my stuff is bland. Get me some good old cheese, just like that. And let me grab my bacon because my bacon is freaking hot. Okay, there we go. And my little pieces of air fried bacon. These are 2 whole strips of bacon, okay? Just like that. And what's up? That's it. Here we go. We're about to eat because finally, y'all, like seriously, I haven't ate all day long and I'm freaking hungry. But I wanted to kind of like talk to y'all about like what I'm doing to lose weight, because I know I said that this is what I eat in a day to lose weight. But so if y'all don't know, I'm on a calorie deficit. If y'all don't know what calorie deficits are, then I suggest y'all look those up and just like get y'all's own little research off of it, because literally it took me so many YouTube videos to finally figure out what it meant and everything, which if y'all are having trouble with finding that out, then go ahead and hit the link down below to this woman that kind of like explained it to me properly. Her name is the Dawn Elizabeth on YouTube, which is a good little angle. Anyways, her name is the Dawn Elizabeth on YouTube. She's awesome. She literally explains it so well. But did I put this on mute? Yeah, I did. But anyways, I'm on a 1500 calorie deficit. I've been on a calorie deficit since April 1st. I remember because this is whenever I moved into this house that I have now. And this is by far the best way for me personally to lose weight, because I've literally always struggled with losing weight. Let me take a bite, y'all, because I'm hungry. So good. But first, let me take a picture, y'all, because I literally forgot how to take a picture. All right, picture is taken. But anyways, I've literally had a hard time for a very long time losing weight. I started off at probably over 220 pounds, and I'm currently 196, 194, but I can kind of go up to 198 sometimes. It just depends on, I guess, what I'm eating or whatever. But I just want to let y'all know that if y'all clicked on this video thinking that y'all were going to get a video that is strictly healthy food, if you will, healthy food meaning nothing but greens, salads, fruits and like literally fruits and vegetables, all or whatever. No, it's not really that. I'm giving y'all a video that I feel, I mean, honestly, all this helped me. And I'm giving y'all food in this video that I know is going to be really delicious, tasty. You're going to enjoy it, because honestly, in the beginning, I thought, you know, being on a 1500 calorie deficit or a calorie deficit in general, it was just going to be like nasty, bland food. And since I've done my research and all that, I've found out that you can basically eat whatever you want. You just have to modify it to make it healthier. So eat what you want, but just modify it and make it healthier, y'all, okay? And that's basically what I'm doing. Like back in the day, months ago, I'm talking about 6 months ago, before I found the Dawn Elizabeth here on YouTube, I literally would look at a breakfast sandwich and be like, no, I can't eat that. It's not healthy. Look at me now, y'all. I'm eating literally what I want, and it's good. And I've made the change to a healthier lifestyle. I never thought I would be able to do that. I never thought I would even say those words, made the change. I actually made the change to a healthier lifestyle. I literally eat healthy every single day. I'm always just you know, instead of me gravitating towards a bag of hot Cheetos or something, which I don't eat, but for example, if I were to eat, instead of me gravitating towards that, I'd go and get me a protein drink or some yogurts or something that I actually like to eat. So yeah, this video is strictly on food that is delicious and enjoyable, y'all. So if y'all don't want that and y'all want to go and see how to make a healthy salad, then go ahead and do that. But I'm trying to lose weight and make gains, okay? And the only way you're gonna do that is with protein and carbs, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food, and then I'll be back to show you guys the buffalo style chicken wrap that I freaking make, and it's so good, y'all. Okay, so yeah. All right, y'all, so I am about to make my lunch. And I'm not going to eat this right now if that's what y'all think. No, I'm not. I am actually going to be taking this with me on the go because I'm going to go to workout. I have to do some cardio today since I'm taking a week off from the gym. But before I make my buffalo style chicken wrap, y'all, okay, I want to show y'all the chicken I got. So this is basically just regular boiled chicken. I put 2 breasts of chicken in here. I boiled it, I shredded it up, and what I did was I added about a cup of blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese in here. I also put some green onions in it and probably like some chili powder, salt, pepper, and last but not least, I also put some Frank's Red Hot sauce in it, and I just mixed it up, and this is what I got right here. So usually what I eat is about 3 ounces. So I'm just gonna put it in this cup and weigh it. That's 2.2. And that is 3. Now if you go over, no big deal, y'all. Like, it ain't gonna hurt, okay? And I'm gonna be taking my, what are these? La Tortilla Factory low carb flour tortillas. It's 70 calories per tortilla, 6 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of protein. It's pretty good. I usually don't get these. I get these breads called flat out breads, but they did not have them, so yeah. I don't really cook the tortillas right now, or you know, heat them up or whatever, just because when I take them to my grandma's, she has a skillet that I put it all on, and whoop, hopefully y'all can see that. But anyways, I'm just gonna put my chicken on here and I'm just gonna wrap it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna be taking these matchstick carrots. You can use whatever carrots. If you shred your own carrots, you can do that. I'm a little lazy for that, and especially since I work and I have some school classes and whatnot, I have to always be on the go. I'm literally always on the go, y'all. Now I'm gonna be taking some romaine lettuce. I usually chop them up, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. That's already like small little pieces, just like that. And this is a pretty simple, easy meal, especially if you have work, especially if you have school, if you're going somewhere and you want a little healthy snack, you know what I mean? Super duper simple, y'all, super duper simple. So I basically just go like that. And the reason why I have aluminum foil is because it's gonna help keep all of it in. So I just wrap it up like a little burrito. Fold, fold. I'm going to. So basically that is my buffalo style chicken wrap. And what I do is, if y'all like dipping sauce on the side, I personally like the honey Dijon by Ken's Steakhouse. I don't know why I keep saying for, like I don't know, but yeah, I like the Ken's Steakhouse honey Dijon mustard. I know that they do make these in like little tiny little packets. That's usually what I use, but I decided just to buy a bigger one. And yeah, so this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate, take a picture, and then I'm just gonna take it off the plate and I'm just gonna put it in a little bag and go, because I gotta do some cardio. All right, y'all, so I have a whole bunch of chicken thighs in here that I've been marinating for the past 12 hours, probably overnight. I just marinated these overnight. Anyways, I did season them with some Sazon Goya seasoning, some chili powder, some garlic, salt, and pepper. And I'm going to be placing them on my cast iron skillet. Let me just turn this up a little bit. I'm gonna be making about actually three of these, just because my boyfriend wants some also. And then I'm gonna be saving the rest of it for tomorrow. I'm not really the type to, you know, make my food ahead of time or meal prep. It's just not my vibe. So I'm gonna let my chicken cook on up. It looks good already on. It's not even cooked, but I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be so good. All right, so now I am going to be chopping up my romaine lettuce. I like using romaine. You can just use regular salad if you like, if you don't want to chop it up, but I use romaine. Gonna be dicing up some avocado. I got this hella big avocado. Don't mind the heart. I just threw that on there earlier, but I'm going to be dicing up some avocado. I'm also going to be dicing up some tomatoes. I'm going to be cooking up some black beans. I get these HEB ones right here, and it says half a cup is 110 calories, which isn't bad. So I get my, I guess carbs, what is it? Yeah, carb intake. And also I'm going to be boiling up some rice. This is the right rice. Well, I mean, obviously, I thought rice was a vegetable, but it says made from vegetables. So, honestly, I don't know what that means, but I don't know. For a third of a cup is 180 calories. I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup. So, what is that? 2/3 of a cup? I'm not sure, just because me and my boyfriend are both going to be eating this. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and whip this up and cut up my vegetables and all that, and then I'm gonna make my bowl, and I'll show you guys that, and then I'll show you guys my snack also. But you know what, I'll show you guys my snack now, what I'm gonna eat after this. Okay, so my snack for the end of the day is actually gonna be these Enlighten bars. These are the Enlighten Light Sea Salt Caramel, and it has 80 calories per bar, which is actually very good when you're trying to count calories and stuff. I highly recommend these. I'm going to be eating these as a snack after my food, but later on, not right now. I just wanted to show you guys this right now before I end up ending this video and then I forget. So yeah, let me go ahead and make my food. All right, you guys, so here is my Chipotle bowl on a plate. I didn't have a big enough bowl to fit all of my food in it, but I have it on a plate here, so here it is. If you guys try this recipe out, then let me know how you guys like it. I genuinely really like it. So yeah, I'll leave the carbs, calories, all that stuff, all the macros down below. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Let me know how you guys like these videos. If you do like these videos, please let me know down below in the comment section, so then I can make more of these. I really would like to film more what I eat in a day, just because I know that not everybody likes to eat the same thing every single week or every single day, and I know I don't like to eat the same thing every single day. So let me know and I will film another one for you guys. And also be on the lookout for a leg day routine, or like my workout routine, because I have a whole bunch of different ones that I do, especially to build muscle, like get rid of back fat and build some muscle on your butt and stuff. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Like it, okay? And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.